Hi, my name's Ari, and today I'm going to be debating cats versus dogs. I'm going to be representing the cat side.
My name is Mickey, and I will be representing the dog side of the argument.
So one reason I think that cats are better is because they're more independent and they don't require as much attention. Another reason is that they don't need to go outside; they use the bathroom inside. I also think that cats, when they don't always constantly like love you, you need to earn their love, which makes you seem more achieved when they finally like cuddle with you and want your affection. And another thing, in Egypt, their old religion in Egypt was that they actually worshipped cats, and they thought that they were gods. So yeah.
Why I think dogs are good pets is they love you constantly. From a young age, they start building a nearly unbreakable bond with you, which is why it's very heartbreaking when a dog switches owners. Another reasons dogs are great is they go to poo outside and you can just pick it up later. It doesn't stink up your whole house. Dogs also are very lovable and they will cuddle with you at any time of day. They like treats and they're very easy to manage.
Oh, well, I respectfully disagree. I think that it's kind of annoying that dogs always want to cuddle with you. Sometimes you just want personal space, and a lot of times dogs don't really know how to give you that. But cats know how to leave you alone, but also cuddle with you when they feel like they want to. Another thing that I think that's true, cats are actually also very affectionate and easier to manage, I think. They don't need to be trained, whereas dogs need to be. And from the time that they're basically leaving their mother, they already know how to use the bathroom where they're supposed to go. So I think that that's better.
To leave you off with that, my rebuttal is that you had to train both cats and dogs. A cat still needs to be little trained, just as a dog has to be housebroken. And cats, unlike dogs, worship themselves and care only about themselves. Dogs, on the other hand, worship you. They love you and they give all of your affection to you. And cats stink up the whole house. If you don't clean that kitty litter every single day, uh, as where you would clean the yard once a week, with a cat, it stinks up the entire house, especially if you live in a home with multiple cats. Another reason dogs are better than cats is dogs can go with you on walks, whereas cats always have to stay inside or they'll get fleas. Dogs you take on walks, cats, well, they hate walks.
Well, what about if you don't want to exercise? Okay. Well, I will agree with you that if you want to go outside, a dog is a more reasonable animal. But I do think that cats fit some people and dogs fit others. I think we can agree that they're both really good animals.
I can agree with that. Thank you for listening.
Thank you.